Hey everyone, Chris here, WS Medical. Today I want to run you through our C-Air chair. Comes in two formats, C-Air Custom and C-Air Bariatric. A C-Air Custom comes in widths of 20, 22 and 24 inch seat widths with a seat height of 16. The C-Air Bariatric comes in widths of 20, 22, 24 and 26 inch widths with a seat height of 18 inches, sort of a standard. But what I will say is if you've got a client that's a little bit tricky, just let us know because we can fully customize these chairs for the perfect fit. This one that we've got in front of us today, this is one of our C-Air Bariatrics. The C-Air Custom comes with a safe working load of 159. The C-Air Bariatric comes with a safe working load of 222, but we can increase that to 275 kgs if you've got a larger client. The leg rest is standard on both of them is 70 kgs, but again, we can increase that if needed. Now I'm going to run you through a few functions of this chair. It is incredibly modular, and we're going to look sort of at this back component first, the seat component, and then some of the functions around the tilt in space and independent backrest. So the backrest has these three waterfall cushions as standard. It's got a Dartex Performance fabric on it, which allows for four-way stretch. Now these cushions, as standard, they come full from the factory, but you can get into them nice and easily if you needed. There's just a zip at the back here. Slice this open, take out some of the filling to get the perfect fit for your patient. Now because this is a modular chair, all of these cushions can easily come off. And what we can do is we can add in seat depth adjusters, which can give us about another 2 inches or greater in terms of reducing that depth there. We can also put in lateral support, soft lateral support. Effectively, you tell us what the client needs and we can create something to give them that back support that they require. So just putting all these back, nice and easy. They're all labeled. So staying with the chairs in this position, I just want to run you through the seat here. Now, these C-Airs, generally they come with either two cushions. The bariatric ones come with cool form, and the C-Air Customs generally come with what you call our liqueform cushion. The best way to access the pressure relieving cushion is to take off the bottom waterfall. Then at the back here, there is a strip of Velcro. Pull that back. The padded chaise cover comes off. And then here you'll find the pressure relieving cushion. Now this is our cool form. So it's a medical grade silicone gel at the top and then reflex foam underneath. The liqueform is a combination of a liquid sac, memory foam and a reflex foam. But because this cushion and the chair is modular, you can just take it out and you can put another cushion in there, whether it's a Geo Matrix or a C1 South or whatever you need in there to allow for the patient's pressure needs. So if we just put that back, again, the one that this comes with sort of from us is the cool form, but again, we can put anything else in. The chaise cushion just comes back over, the chaise cover, sorry, and just secures at the back there. Put the bottom waterfall cushion back in. Again, if you ever get lost here, they are all labeled large bottom waterfall back. So this is the Dartex Performance four-way stretch fabric. And what that does is it allows immersion. So you can see that this material is stretching four ways. And then what that immersion does is it allows the user to really sink down into that pressure care cushion that's underneath. Like I said, this has got the cool form on it, which is a medium to high level pressure care. And the immersion really allows the user to take benefit of that. So this chair has got a tilt in space function and also an independent backrest, so it's dual motor. And if we just push this one, you'll be able to see that the independent backrest in operation. And then the tilt in space function. If I push this one here, you'll see the backrest and the middle of the chair move as one. And it comes up to a position that allows for nice high leg elevation. And again, you still have the independent backrest to get it to where the client is comfortable and they can make themselves comfortable. This remote, it's got a magnet and it can go in either the left and right side. and it just clips onto to the side there. Again, you've got a little pouch if you want to put your magazines or anything else in there. So I'm just going to show you now bringing it forward into rise. One of the differences with this chair compared to the multi-C chair, which there's another video on, is that this one here doesn't have casters. It's all on feet on the floor. And that's primarily because it's more of a bariatric chair where we really need this stability. Similar to our multi-C Air, these C Air chairs, they've got variable angle lift technology, which we'll put a little short video up to show you the 3 different angles of lift, being 30, 20, and 10 degrees. At the moment, this is set to 30 degrees. It does have a little bit of a battery backup, so if the power ever does go out, you can still get out of the chair, which is a helpful feature. If you ever need to access or remove the backrest, just a bit of Velcro there. There's a little latch under here. If you remove that on both sides, you can take the backrest off. So that's a wrap of our C Air chair, both the custom and the bariatric version. Again, multiple widths, multiple seat heights, multiple safe working loads, complete modular back where we can sit in soft laterals if needed, seat depth adjusters. We can change the pressure care cushion. Best way to think about it is if you've got a client that you want really comfortable or they're slightly unique, give us their details, let us know what you need, and we can create it for you, right through to removable arms, swing away arms, almost you name it, and we can build it.